the English teacher of the secondary school number 11. Hello, dear pupils. I want to tell you about professions. There are many professions in the world. For example, a teacher, a driver, a postman, a chef, a soldier, a scientist, a pilot, a policeman, an engineer, a doctor, and other. A profession is a job at which someone works and for which they have had training. It is what they do to get money or a living. People often study for years to do their job. Examples of a profession would be a teacher or a lawyer. These are called learned professions. Sometimes profession only means learned professions, but sometimes the word may also be used for other jobs. Someone who works in a profession is called a professional. Hello, what's your job? Hi, I am a doctor. My job is to treat patients. Hello, what's your job? Hi, I am an engineer. My job is to build roads and buildings. Hello, what's your job? Hi, I am a teacher. My job is to teach students. Hello, what's your job? Hi, I am a policeman. My job is to catch thieves. Hello, what's your job? Hi, I am a pilot. My job is to operate aeroplane. Hello, what's your job? Hi, I am a scientist. My job is to invent new things. Hello, what's your job? Hi, I am a soldier. My job is to protect the nation. Hello, what's your job? Hi, I am a chef. My job is to cook food in hotels and restaurants. Hello, what's your job? Hi, I am a postman. My job is to deliver posts. Hello, what's your job? Hi, I am a bus driver. My job is to drive the bus. All about professions. Choosing a profession is very difficult. Choice should depend on your character, intellect, abilities, and talent. Do you think someone can be a good teacher if he or she doesn't love children? Our lesson come to end. Goodbye.